and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. And now, it's time!
It is time. Finally, Cardano support is available on the Ledger Nano S. For the time being, it will only be available on Yoroi. Daedalus support is coming later, so subscribe to the channel, and when that happens, I will be sure to update you immediately. So in this video, I'm going to do a simple tutorial demonstrating just how easy it is to install the Cardano app on Ledger, and to do a quick install of Yoroi on my Brave browser. This is just so you can get a feel for how quick and easy it can be. The first thing I did was open my Ledger Live application on my Mac. I entered my password on the application and then open Manager. I've connected my Ledger device and entered my PIN code. I press the button on my Ledger device to allow the application to access it. Sometimes this can take a while or possibly time out, but this time it went pretty quickly. I type C in the search bar and Cardano pops up, and I click to install. You have to make sure that you have the latest firmware update 1.5.5 on your Ledger device and that you are running the latest version of Ledger Live. I talk about that firmware update in my last Ledger update video I made on February 4th. You have to make sure you have enough room on your Ledger Nano S, as the device only has room for a few apps at a time. If you uninstall a different app, you won't lose your crypto, and you can reinstall those apps later. As you can see, it does take a bit of time for the app to install. I'm going to skip forward a bit, but you will have to be patient. I think it took about 3 minutes for the Cardano app to install on the device, and I don't think you want to wait around for 3 whole minutes, so I'll just skip forward here. So when the actual install is taking place on your device, it will show processing on the device itself, and you will see the bar begin filling up here. And success. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and install Yoroi on my browser. It's the same process for Chrome, but I'm going to do it on Brave. So under the window menu, I select Extensions, and then I'm going to open the web store. I'm going to do a search for Yoroi, and I'm going to add it to Chrome, or Brave in this case. Add the extension, and there it is. Now I'm going to click on the Yoroi icon, and it's going to come up. Continue in English. Read through the legalese. And then I'm going to click Continue. I'm going to click Connect to Ledger, making sure that I have the Cardano app open on my device. Then I click Next. With the app open on my Ledger, I click Connect. And when it's connected, I can name the wallet and click Save. And there it is, showing me successful integration with my Ledger Nano S device. Here's the receiving address. Don't send me any ADA because I'm going to remove this and wait for the Daedalus. But for now, I want to show you something cool. What I'm doing now is actually disconnecting my Ledger device from my computer to demonstrate that while you still need your Ledger to send ADA, you can receive ADA without having it connected to your device. For me, this is very handy because I normally don't keep my Ledger device with me for security reasons, but as I like to add a little ADA to my portfolio every week, I can do that without needing access to the device. Now that I've installed Yoroi, anytime I restart the browser, I can open the wallet. The receiving address is available for me. And that is all there is to it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been a long time coming, but we are just at the beginning of the amazing road to Shelley. If you've enjoyed the video, please do all the clicks, and I will keep you informed on all the great news and updates on the world of Cardano. Namaste.